Right now, at this very moment, a small metal object, no bigger than a compact car, is moving through the void of space. Alone, silent, traveling at over 38,000 miles per hour. It is the farthest human-made object from Earth. But here's what NASA isn't telling you. Voyager 1 isn't just drifting aimlessly. It's still sending data. And some of that data? It makes no sense. Something is out there. And it may have already found Voyager 1. Or worse, Voyager 1 may be heading straight towards something we were never meant to find. On September 5th, 1977, Voyager 1 launched from Earth. A mission meant to last only 5 years, yet, against all odds, it has lasted for nearly 50 years and is still moving. Voyager 1 was a marvel of engineering. It carried an 8-track tape storage system, a 23-watt radio signal capable of reaching Earth from billions of miles away, and a nuclear-powered radioisotope thermoelectric generator, a power source designed to last just a few years, yet still functioning today. But Voyager 1 wasn't just a scientific instrument, it was a message. On board was the Golden Record, a time capsule carrying greetings in 55 languages, music from Earth, and the sounds of nature. A final message from humanity to the universe. But here's the real question. Will anyone or anything ever find it? 2 years after launch, Voyager 1 reached Jupiter. What it saw would change space exploration forever. Jupiter's Great Red Spot wasn't just a storm. It was a hurricane that had been raging for over 350 years. Winds were measured at twice the speed of Earth's strongest hurricanes. But what Voyager 1 found on Jupiter's moon Io was even more shocking. It saw something never before observed beyond Earth, active volcanoes erupting into space. This was proof that moons could be geologically alive. Then, something even stranger happened. Voyager 1 detected a radio signal from Jupiter's magnetosphere, an emission so intense that at first, NASA scientists thought it was interference. Was it just the planet's own activity? Or something else? But Voyager 1's journey was just getting started. What it saw at Saturn was even more shocking. By 1980, Voyager 1 reached Saturn, and it found something no one was ready for. Saturn's rings weren't solid. They were made of billions of ice particles, some as small as grains of sand, others as large as mountains. What was once thought to be a simple structure turned out to be a complex, ever-changing system. But the real surprise was Titan, Saturn's largest moon. Voyager 1's instruments revealed that Titan was shrouded in a thick orange haze, completely hiding its surface. Scientists speculated that beneath its dense atmosphere, there could be lakes of liquid methane, a possible cradle for alien chemistry. But something else puzzled scientists. Saturn's magnetic field was distorted in an unexpected way. Even today, scientists don't fully understand what caused it. Just when Voyager 1 was set to continue to Uranus and Neptune, NASA made a shocking decision. Instead of turning back, they sent Voyager 1 toward the unknown. For decades, Voyager 1 traveled outward. Then, in 2012, it crossed a boundary no spacecraft had ever reached: the heliopause. The heliopause is the invisible bubble separating the solar system from interstellar space. Scientists expected space beyond to be silent, but it wasn't. Voyager 1 picked up a mysterious shockwave of energy, an invisible force scientists never anticipated. But what could it be? Then, in 2023, something even stranger happened. Voyager 1 sent back data that no one could explain. In 2023, Voyager 1 started sending data, but it didn't make sense. It wasn't random noise. It had patterns. Some scientists suggested it could be an unknown cosmic phenomenon. Others wondered if Voyager 1 had picked up something else. And then, the signal suddenly stopped. Was it a transmission error, or was Voyager 1 trying to tell us something? Voyager 1 is now over 15 billion miles from Earth. And here's the biggest mystery of all. What if it never stops? If space is infinite, does Voyager 1 drift forever? Could it reach another star system? Could it be found? Or what if something already has? Before Voyager 1 left our solar system, NASA commanded it to turn around one last time and take a picture. Voyager 1 left the solar system. It turned back one last time and captured this. There it was, our home, a tiny pixel floating in an endless sea of darkness. As Carl Sagan put it, look again at that dot. That's here, that's home, that's us. Every war, every triumph, every love story, every tragedy, every king, every peasant, every scientist, and every explorer lived and died on that tiny speck of light. One day, Voyager 1 will be nothing more than a relic drifting in the void. But for now, it is still out there, alone, watching, listening. And here's the real question. What if one day it looks back? If this video blew your mind, hit like and subscribe. And let me know in the comments, do you think Voyager 1 will ever be found?